Ten 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 ten. Building 14 is the Goodness Hall. Number 15 is the Architecture Building. Building 16 is the Yusheng Hall. Location 17 is the motorcycle parking lot, which is near gate A4. Location 18 is the design building, which is near the motorcycle parking lot. Building 19 is the landscape and architecture building. Location 20 is the Huang Hall building. Location 21 is the interior design building with an orange something.